Hi, my name is Rob McLeod from the University of Utah, and we're going to do some comparisons of different microphones that are available either attached to or built into a typical Apple laptop computer and see how they compare, how they sound differently, and to help you decide what your preferred option would be as you make your own videos. So right now we're working with the built-in microphone on a MacBook Pro. Gives you a reasonable baseline of what a microphone, a relatively inexpensive, non-dedicated microphone can do. You should probably hear a reasonable amount of room acoustic, and we'll be able to compare that shortly to some microphones that are more dedicated to the task at hand. Now we're going to record from the microphone built into a Logitech C920, which is the webcam that I'm recording the video component of this from. It sits about 40 centimeters away from my mouth, so it's picking up some of that direct sound, but may also pick up some of the room sound around it. And it's an okay microphone. It's not dedicated to this purpose, but it does a reasonably good job of picking up a room if the camera is really providing the audio support for a larger space. Now you're listening through this dedicated combination of a headset and boom microphone. The microphone is sitting right here next to my mouth. This is a Sennheiser unit. The model is out of date now, but there's a number of models like this on the market made by Sennheiser, very fine manufacturing of acoustic equipment. So we can expect this to be a pretty high-end, pretty rich sound, in part because it's close to my mouth, so it's picking up mostly me and less of the room, but also because it's a high-quality microphone, and you should really hear the difference between this and most of the other options. And this is an example of the wireless microphone from the Rode company. This is the wireless Rode Go microphone. It has a small unit clipped to my shirt, which you can see down here, and another unit connected to the computer and picks up my voice closer at hand. And you can compare that to the microphones on the boom and the microphones that otherwise pick up quite a bit of room noise. So this is an example of a pretty typical wireless headphone set that's connected through Bluetooth with the computer directly. It hangs from my ears here, has a microphone built into the side, and can pick up the sound quite close to my voice. And while this is a very inexpensive, sort of $30, $35 microphone, it has pretty good capabilities. The loudspeaker quality is not as good as more expensive units like the one we'll show you as well. And this is the test of the Bose Sound Sport, a more expensive but also Bluetooth connected set of loudspeakers or earbuds and microphone. And the sound quality of the earbuds is quite good with this device, much better than the Anker Bluetooth headset. And you can judge for yourself how the microphone qualities compare. This is now a test of another full headset, but one with an integrated microphone. The microphone's hidden away somewhere on the left side of the ear cup here, and picks up the sound somewhat close to my face, of course. It's a headset with a lot of noise cancellation. It's very hard to hear my own voice while I'm speaking, which is a little disconcerting, but we'll see how the recording quality turns out. This is now a connection via the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. These are some of the best known noise cancellation headphones, really set the standard for that. And as such, it's a little disconcerting to speak and try and record because you can't hear yourself very well. But these are wireless. They have exceedingly good sound quality when listening, and we'll see what the microphone quality is like. It has an integrated built-in microphone, like a number of these types of headphones. Now we're going to switch both the camera and the microphone to a very simple solution. This is nothing more than an iPhone, in this case an iPhone 11, set up on a little tripod. I'm speaking directly into the microphone that's built into the iPhone. There couldn't be a simpler setup than this, and we can see how it compares to the more sophisticated ones. Now the same camera, still the iPhone 11, but as you can see, we're using the very straightforward earbud headphones that come with every iPhone that have the little microphone built in here. And we'll see if that improves the audio quality, having the microphone closer to my mouth. And now we're testing the configuration with the Rode Go wireless microphone. The microphone attached to my shirt here, connected wirelessly to an input directly into the iPhone, and picking up the audio from a little closer to my face, and we'll see how much room acoustic that includes in the recording. Now we've changed everything again. We've gone back to the Logitech 920 C920 camera. We've moved rooms. We're using the Rode Go again as the microphone, and this should help us distinguish between microphone effects and room effects, and we'll hopefully hear a difference there. All right, so time has passed, my hair's cut, things have continued to progress, and I have one more microphone to add to the list. This is a Jabra microphone, which is actually, as you see here, a combination of a microphone and a speaker. It's often used as a tool for web conferencing. So you can put this in a small room, and it's got a speaker and a microphone built in, and it provides enough sound for that entire room. So very useful device, not one I would sort of typically have for a single use like this or a specific use like this, but great for a group in a small room. And you can now judge what the quality is like in a fairly damp room. We're back here in the main office where the acoustics are clearly better for recording. All right, it's time to wrap up this video. It keeps getting longer and longer as I keep thinking of new microphones I might try. Not because I'm purchasing new microphones, but because it feels like every time I look around my home or my office, I find another device that has a built-in microphone. But we got to call it quits for now. I'll wrap this up, get this on the YouTube channel, and hope it's helpful to you. I'll include in the description below a link to me, link to how to ask me questions about any of these devices you've seen. And I wish you all luck creating your videos. If you're like me, you're a professor trying not to freak out completely with the upcoming semester, and going to be making lots of videos. So this setup, the microphone, all the other aspects, it's an important part of my life for the next little while. I guess I hope it is for yours, and I hope it all works out. And feel free to reach out if you have questions. Thanks so much for watching. And again, my name is Rob McLeod, Biomedical Engineering from the University of Utah. Have a great day and a great semester.